Wrike Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Wrike are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Wrike, a powerful business automation tool designed to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and improve project management efficiency. Wrike is aimed at teams of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, and is particularly beneficial for businesses looking to manage complex projects and tasks in a centralized platform. One of Wrike's core features is its customizable task management system. You can create detailed tasks, assign them to team members, and track their progress with ease. The ability to break down projects into subtasks and assign deadlines ensures that everything stays on track. Wrike's Timeline View, Gantt chart, provides a clear visual representation of project timelines, making it easy to adjust schedules and identify potential bottlenecks. Another key feature is Wrike's real-time collaboration tools. Teams can comment directly on tasks, share files, and receive instant updates, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. The integrations are also a standout, as Wrike connects seamlessly with a wide range of tools, including Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Salesforce, helping to eliminate silos and keep everything connected. Wrike also includes automation capabilities that allow you to streamline repetitive tasks. For example, you can automate task assignments, approvals, and notifications, which saves time and reduces the chances of human error. Its customizable workflows allow you to tailor processes to fit your business needs. For reporting and analytics, Wrike provides robust tools that give you insights into project performance, resource utilization, and team productivity. These reports can be customized to focus on the most important metrics for your business, making it easier to make data-driven decisions. Overall, Wrike is an excellent choice for businesses looking to optimize their project management and team collaboration. Its combination of automation, customization, and real-time communication makes it a top tool for boosting productivity. Check the description below for links to Wrike and start streamlining your workflows today.